On the southern tip of Korea lies Jeju, an island sculpted by wind, sea, and memory, born of ancient fire. This land carries the quiet heartbeat of volcanoes that once ruled the sky. Every stone here, every black shore, is a whisper from the Earth's molten past. I came here chasing stories of fire and ocean, where lava meets salt, where creation still hums beneath your feet. They say Jeju isn't just a place, it's a mood, a breathing poem written by the planet itself. As the plane descended over a field of emeralds and blues, I felt it, that strange, volcanic calm. Jeju doesn't shout to impress. It just exists. Beautifully. Have you ever stood on an island made by fire, where the ground remembers how to burn? Morning in Jeju begins with silence, the kind that stretches between sea and sky. I woke before sunrise, joining a quiet stream of people climbing toward the light. Seongsan Ilchulbong is a tough cone born when magma met the ocean thousands of years ago. Today, it's one of Jeju's sacred places. Locals say the first sun of the year here brings luck and new beginnings. Standing on the rim, I watched the world catch fire again. Waves rolled like applause against the cliffs. Wind brushed the grass, whispering names of those who came before. In that moment, you understand why Jeju was called the island of the gods. I came to film the sunrise, but what I found was something eternal, the proof that beauty can be born from destruction. They call it Hallasan, the mountain high enough to touch the sky. It rises from Jeju's heart like a memory of fire, sleeping but never silent. Every step here is like walking through time. The soil beneath is young, restless. You can almost feel the pulse of something ancient, waiting beneath the surface. The trail winds upward through forests of Japanese cedar, then opens to barren rock, the bones of the world exposed. At the summit, the crater Lake Bangnakdam lies still, reflecting clouds like trapped dreams. From up here, Jeju feels alive. Breathing, shifting, remembering. Hallasan isn't just a mountain. It's a living archive of creation itself. Maybe that's what travel does, it reminds you how small you are, and yet, how infinite you feel when standing close to something so old. While Jeju's mountains hold fire, its shores belong to water and to the women who tame it. They're called Haenyeo, the sea women of Jeju. For centuries, they've dived without oxygen, harvesting abalone, urchins, and seaweed, guardians of the deep. Watching them, I realized that Jeju's spirit is feminine, strong, silent, enduring. These women dive into freezing waters not just for survival, but to keep alive a rhythm older than history. The sea, she says, is not something you conquer. You listen to it. Her words linger like the tide, gentle, insistent. The Haenyeo remind me, every journey is also a descent into the unknown, into courage, into memory, and every surface you break is a rebirth. Beneath Jeju's calm face lies another world, silent, ancient, and dark. The Manjanggul lava tube stretches for kilometers, carved by rivers of molten rock that once flowed like liquid fire. Inside, the air hums like the breath of the planet itself. Down here, you feel time slow down. The silence is not empty, it's full of echoes, of creation's aftermath. I touch the wall, it's cold, smooth, and somehow alive. The ground remembers everything. When you leave the caves, the world feels brighter, like the island has exhaled. Fire and water, mountain and sea, all stitched together into one perfect contradiction. That's Jeju. A place where opposites make peace. Maybe that's why Jeju changes you, because it shows you that destruction can create beauty, and endings can become beginnings. In the silence of its stones and the whispers of its waves, you find something rare, the sound of the earth, dreaming. This was Jeju, the island born of fire and reborn by the sea.